my house, we got cats in trees. That's right, in a Redbud. My buddy Redbud is just holding the cats, all of them. Zoomer and Phillip. Go take a look at these guys and see what they're doing. You see, they like the tree. They talk to Redbud too. Let's hear what they have to say about it. Planted this Redbud, it was a little stick a long time ago. Look at it now. It's a cat's paradise. Grass isn't good for you, man. Didn't you ever watch those after school specials? At the Redbud tree, we see Phillip enjoying his native habitat. When I planted that Redbud a while back, I really did not think that it would have two cats in it, enjoying it. It's the perfect size for a cat because they can't get up there and get trapped up there, and we don't have to call the fire department. So that's a good thing. They can get down from that Redbud. These cats are up with something. Glad you got to see my Redbud, my girlfriend's cats, and my dog. Until next time, see you later. Thanks for